Have you ever questioned your reality? Could there be other versions of you living out entirely different lives in parallel universes? Quite the mind-boggler, isn't it? Well, welcome to the realm of infinite possibilities, the multiverse theory. Imagine for a moment an endless expanse. Not just our universe with its countless galaxies, stars, and planets, but an infinite number of such universes, each with its own laws of physics, its own history, its own reality. This is the concept of the multiverse, a theory that challenges and stretches our understanding of existence itself. This idea of parallel universes isn't a new age concept, mind you. It's a serious scientific proposition rooted in quantum mechanics and string theory. It's a concept that's been pondered upon, debated, and explored by some of the greatest minds in the field of cosmology. Now, let's think about infinity for a moment. It's a concept that's hard to grasp, yet it's pivotal to the multiverse theory. Infinity implies limitless, boundless, without end. If the universe is infinite, then it's not just conceivable, but inevitable, that there are other universes out there. After all, in an infinite reality, everything that could possibly happen, has happened, is happening, and will continue to happen. The multiverse theory is a radical departure from our traditional understanding of reality. It proposes not just a universe, but a multiverse, a network of universes, each with its own distinct reality. It's a concept that challenges our fundamental understanding of reality, of time, of space, and of existence itself. So let's pause for a moment. Consider your reality. Consider the reality that you know, that you live in, that you experience. Now imagine that this reality is just one of an infinite number of realities, each distinct, each unique, each real in its own right. So, what if I told you that there could be an infinite number of universes, each with its own unique reality? Let that sink in. Let the enormity, the complexity, the sheer wonder of it all wash over you. Welcome to the multiverse. But how does science explain the existence of multiple universes? Well, the multiverse theory finds its roots in two areas of physics, namely cosmology, the study of the universe's origins, and quantum mechanics, the study of the smallest particles in the universe. In the realm of cosmology, scientists propose that a phenomenon known as cosmic inflation could lead to the creation of multiple universes. This theory suggests that shortly after the Big Bang, the universe underwent a rapid expansion, inflating like a balloon at an incredibly high speed. This inflation could have caused bubbles to form, each potentially giving birth to a separate universe with its own laws of physics. But the multiverse theory isn't just a product of cosmic inflation. It also finds a solid footing in the strange world of quantum mechanics. Here, a phenomenon known as quantum fluctuation comes into play. These fluctuations can be thought of as temporary changes in the amount of energy in a point in space, resulting from Werner Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. This principle states that we cannot know both the position and velocity of a particle at the same time. These fluctuations might create tiny bubbles of energy that could theoretically expand into a full-blown universe. Now here's where things get even more interesting. Each of these universes could have its own set of physical laws entirely different from ours. Imagine a universe where gravity pushes rather than pulls, or where time flows backward. Sounds mind-boggling, doesn't it? Of course, this is all theoretical. The multiverse theory, as fascinating as it is, remains unproven. We don't have any direct evidence of other universes, yet. But who knows what future scientific advancements might reveal. While the evidence is not definitive, it does suggest the possibility of a multiverse. So the idea of a multiverse, as incredible and science fiction-like as it may sound, is firmly grounded in scientific theory. It's a tantalizing aspect of our reality that we are just beginning to explore. Let's delve deeper into the scientific theories that support the existence of the multiverse. Beyond cosmic inflation and quantum fluctuations, there are other scientific concepts that suggest the possibility of multiple universes. First up, we have dark matter and dark energy. These mysterious entities make up about 95% of our universe, and yet we understand very little about them. Some scientists propose that the distribution of dark matter and the behavior of dark energy could hint at the existence of other universes. In fact, Certain inconsistencies in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang, might be due to the gravitational pull of other universes. Next, let's turn to string theory. This is a theoretical framework where the point-like particles of particle physics are replaced by one-dimensional strings. String theory suggests that our universe might be just one slice in a loaf of bread, a concept known as a brane. If this is true, then there could be other slices or branes out there, effectively other universes existing in parallel to ours. Lastly, we come to the principles of quantum entanglement and superposition. Quantum entanglement refers to a phenomenon where particles become interconnected, and the state of one instantly affects the state of the other, regardless of the distance between them. On the other hand, quantum superposition suggests that a particle can be in multiple states at once. These principles could imply that for every possible outcome of a decision, there might be a parallel universe where that outcome is realized. These scientific theories, while complex, provide a fascinating insight into the potential existence of a multiverse. They paint a picture of a reality far more intricate and vast than what we perceive. While we're far from proving the existence of multiple universes, these theories give us a framework to explore the concept further. It's like the famous physicist Richard Feynman once said, "If you think you understand quantum mechanics, then you don't understand quantum mechanics." The same could be said for the multiverse theory. Now, let's shift gears and talk about a phenomenon known as the Mandela effect. This intriguing concept refers to collective false memories, where a significant number of people remember an event or fact differently than how it actually occurred or exists. A classic example of the Mandela effect is the misremembering of a world-famous children's book series title. Many recall it as Berenstain Bears, while in reality it's Berenstain Bears. Another striking instance is the widespread belief that Nelson Mandela died in prison during the 1980s, despite the fact that he was released in 1990 and lived until 2013, an error which gave this phenomenon its name. So, how does this connect to the multiverse? Well, some proponents of the Mandela effect argue that these collective misrememberings are not mere errors in memory, but evidence of our existence in parallel universes. They propose that we are experiencing echoes from alternate realities where the remembered events actually took place. In essence, these false memories are seen as glitches in our reality, revealing the existence of other universes where the incorrect memories are in fact correct. This perspective is fascinating, but it's crucial to note that it's not widely accepted by the scientific community. The human memory is complex and fallible, and many psychologists argue that these collective false memories can be explained by cognitive biases and social influences. Even so, the idea of the Mandela effect as evidence of the multiverse sparks curiosity and opens up a world of thought-provoking questions. If we inhabit a multiverse, could we occasionally receive glimpses of our lives in alternate realities? Could our brains, in their infinite complexity, somehow tap into these other existences? Could our memories of events that never happened in this universe be evidence of our existence in other universes? While this remains a speculative question, it invites us to explore the captivating possibilities that lie at the intersection of memory, perception, and the nature of reality. So, what does the multiverse theory mean for you and me? You may be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, the multiverse theory isn't just a cool science fiction concept. It's a profound idea that challenges our understanding of reality and our place in the universe. Imagine a cosmic lottery where every possible outcome of every event in your life has its own universe. Each choice you make, each step you take, could potentially spawn an infinite number of universes. In one universe, you could be a world-renowned scientist. In another, you might be a celebrated artist. The possibilities are endless and mind-bogglingly diverse. This thought raises some intriguing philosophical questions. If there are infinite versions of us, what does that mean for our sense of self? Are we unique individuals, or are we just one version among countless others? And what about morality and ethics? If every action we take exists in a different universe, does that negate the importance of our decisions here and now? Or does it make each choice even more meaningful, knowing that it could ripple out into countless other realities? The multiverse theory also forces us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. Traditionally, we've thought of ourselves as part of a single universe, but the multiverse theory suggests that our universe is just one tiny bubble in a vast cosmic ocean. It's a humbling idea that both diminishes our significance and magnifies our wonder. It's important to remember, though, that while the multiverse theory is fascinating, it's still just that. A theory. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of our current understanding and imagination. But it's not yet proven. It's a tantalizing mystery, waiting for future generations of scientists to unravel. The multiverse theory not only expands our understanding of reality, but it also forces us to question our place in it. It's a theory that truly broadens our perspective, pushing the boundaries of our imagination.